The contingency command is used to create contingency tables, which are essential for statistical analysis and correlation testing. These tables help summarize how multiple categorical variables relate to each other. Contingency tables are used to summarize relationships between two or more categorical variables. They are useful for statistical inference and hypothesis testing by organizing data into a matrix format. A contingency table is a matrix that displays the frequency distribution of variables, allowing for analysis of relationships in categorical data. Common uses include measuring association between variables, testing for independence, and presenting cross-tabulated data clearly. In Splunk processing language, the contingency command syntax is simple. Use the vertical bar followed by the word contingency, and then list the variables you want to analyze separated by commas. The contingency command can be customized with options like count row and count column set to true. These options add row and column totals to the output, providing more detailed insights. The resulting contingency table contains columns for each variable combination. It shows counts, row percentages, column percentages, and total percentages, helping interpret the strength and nature of relationships. The output from contingency tables can be used for statistical hypothesis testing. One common test is the chi-square test, which evaluates whether variables are independent or associated. The contingency command provides an efficient way to create contingency tables for statistical analysis and correlation testing within Splunk. These tables summarize categorical data relationships and support powerful hypothesis testing. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.